Good morning, friend. Today we are going to study 12th Science Maths second topic, chapter number 2, Application of Derivative. In this chapter, we study the derivative as a rate measure. Derivative is used as rate measure. Here, if y is equal to f of x is the given function, then change in x from x1 to x2 is given by delta x is equal to x2 minus x1, and corresponding change in y is denoted by delta y is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1. Therefore, delta y divided by delta x is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is called average rate of change. The limit of this average rate is called instantaneous rate of change. Therefore, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit x2 tends to x1 in bracket square bracket f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1 bracket complete. This limit is being the derivative of f of x. Now we solve the example. Here one example is given. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves in the form of circle are generated. Radius of the circular wave increases at the rate of 5 cm per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 cm, how fast the area enclosed is increases. That means we have to calculate the rate of increasing area. For this, let r is radius of circular wave and capital A is area of enclosed circle. Therefore, we know the area of circle is A is equal to pi r square. Differentiating this equation with respect to t, we have to calculate the rate. So we have to differentiate this equation with respect to t. We get delta A divided by delta t is equal to d by dt of pi r square. We get dA by dt is equal to pi is constant, derivative of r square with respect to t. Delta A by delta dA by dt is equal to pi, derivative of r square with respect to t is 2r dr by dt. dA by dt is equal to 2 pi r dr by dt. Here in this equation we have given that radius of circular wave increases at the rate of 5 cm per second. That means here we have given the increasing rate of radius. That means here dr by dt is equal to 5 centimeter per second. Okay, and starting radius has given r is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, this equation become dr by dt is equal to 2 into pi into 8 into 5, which is equal to 80 pi. Therefore, hence when the radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter, the area of circular wave increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter square second. This is the answer, that is increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter square. Area of increasing, rate of area of increasing is equal to 80 pi centimeter square per second.